Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing well. In today's video we will discuss about Houston attorneys and law firms. Before we start the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. So now without wasting any time, let's get started. Houton Maritime Attorney. The city of Houston, located on the Gulf Coast, is a hub of maritime activity with a thriving maritime trade, commercial fishing, and offshore drilling industry. Each year, tens of billions of dollars in maritime trade and industry flow through the Houston area, facilitated by the hard-working men and women who work in these industries. As a result, many multi-billion and million-dollar companies have made their headquarters in Houston or employ large numbers of staff there. The Port of Houston also offers direct access to the heart of Texas and the coastal waters of the Gulf of Mexico for mariners and trade. Longshoremen and other workers who are injured in the course of their work on the waters of the Gulf Coast may be eligible to file claims under the LHWCA. Those injured while working on the water, however, may need the specialized expertise and experience of a Jones Act law firm like Doyle Dennis LLP to properly pursue their legal rights under federal and state maritime laws. Our attorneys are skilled in handling Jones Act and other maritime injury cases, and we are dedicated to helping injured maritime workers in Houston and the surrounding area get the justice and compensation they deserve. Contact us today to learn more about your rights and legal options. Houston Offshore Injury and Fatality Lawyers. Each year, numbers of offshore accident and other maritime incidents occur for Houston companies that could have been prevented with the proper safety procedures and equipment. However, careless or negligent employees, third parties, and others often put offshore workers and other maritime workers at risk of injury or death. As seamen, these workers have a legal right to a safe working environment, including a seaworthy vessel and safe conditions. When companies fail to uphold these obligations and an offshore accident or other maritime incident occurs, they may be liable for additional damages and other obligations under the Jones Act. An experienced Jones Act maritime attorney can help injured offshore workers and other maritime workers in Houston understand their rights and pursue compensatory damages for their injuries, including medical expenses and other damages. And offshore workers based in or from Texas, you have the distinct advantage of being able to pursue legal action and hold your employers accountable in the familiar jurisdiction of the businesses you work for. This can be a significant advantage compared to the challenges of seeking justice in foreign countries and an unfamiliar legal systems. Our team of skilled Jones Act maritime attorney can help you navigate your options and determine the most effective way to pursue a claim for damages, such as personal injury or wrongful death, related to your maritime injuries. Contact us today for a complimentary case evaluation and to learn more about your rights and legal options. Don't miss your chance to hold your employer accountable and seek the justice you deserve as an injured worker. Maritime Law Houston. Houston maritime attorneys will have a busy time ahead of them in 2022. There are numerous maritime law issues that will affect this community as well as the United States and the entire world. The Houston office is in the biggest financial focus in the Gulf Coast region, which also is recognized for the Port of Houston Transport Channel. The best maritime lawyers give insight into a wide assortment of cases, including freight carriage questions, oil spills, and water contamination claims. The Lanier Law Firm is an excellent firm to seek advice from if you are being subjected to a legal claim. They have many years of experience in law and have managed to record many successful claims against other companies. When a big tanker full of crude oil breaks in the Gulf of Mexico, you can count on a Houton Maritime attorney in the USA to step up and help out. Maritime attorneys are well trained in a variety of maritime legal matters. Texas ports handle around 565 million tons of cargo. The Port of Houston, Port of Texas City, and the Port of Galveston all play a big part in the economy of both the state and the country. They do lots of trade and products go through these vital port terminals. Houston offshore accident lawyers. Offshore workers suffer serious injuries caused by conditions on offshore platform rigs, spar platforms, drill ship, jack-up rigs, tankers, crew boats, lay barges, and other vessels. When that unfortunately happens, our firm is ready to help you or a loved one. Our offshore injury lawyers are privileged to assist injured workers and crewmen nationwide. Our offshore accident attorneys at Morrow and Shepherd LLP focus on offshore accidents that occur in the Gulf of Mexico, but we handle serious maritime and offshore injury cases around the country. In fact, we have handled serious personal injury and wrongful death cases arising from accident all around the world, including the Middle East and Africa. If you or a loved one has been seriously injured or tragically killed while working offshore, feel free to contact and have a confidential consultation with an experienced offshore accident lawyer to discuss your legal rights before they are jeopardized by your employer. There is no fee to speak with us. We only get paid if we win your case. Handling offshore accident and explosion claims throughout the Gulf of Mexico. Millions of dollars recovered for our clients. Help with all types of offshore injuries. A track record of success. No fee unless we win. Now, if we talk about average attorney fee in Houston, that is the rate of attorneys working in law firms specializing in business and corporate in Houston is $577 per hour. This estimate is based on 91 hourly rate reported by community members. Hope so you have enjoyed the video and find it useful for you. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also share it with your friends. What do you think about Houston attorneys? Please share your thoughts with us. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.